Welcome to EDU World Space.
A culture of bacteria that initially contained 5,000 bacteria has a count of 25,000 bacteria after 2 hours. We want to determine a function that expresses the exponential growth. So let's use the model A equals A sub 0 times e to the kt. So if we know that it initially contained 5,000 and we now have 25,000, after 2 hours, we can find that constant growth. So we'll divide both sides by 5,000. 25,000 divided by 5,000 is 5. And then we'll take the natural log of both sides, which is going to get rid of the exponential base e, so that we just have 2 times k on the right-hand side. And so then just divide both sides by 2, and you'll get the natural log of 5 divided by 2. The natural log of 5 divided by 2 is about 0.80472. So our function will be the initial 5,000 times e to the 0.8047 to 5 decimal places t. Find the number of bacteria after 8 hours. We'll substitute 8 into that function. So 5,000 e to the 0.80472 times 8 hours, big number. I'm going to round to the nearest 1. It doesn't specifically say that. We'll say that is 3,125,026. In the next question, VCA Television found that the monthly demand for its new line of DVD players T months after placing the players on the market is given by D of T. We want to graph the function, so I'm going to go to the graphing calculator and graph 4,000 minus 2,000 e to the negative 0.6 t. Okay, so what was the demand after 1 month? 1 month would be t the question is, monthly demand. So that would be, I'm going to bring this into, I'm going to change my axis to get a better view of this. I'm going to change my x's to go from like, I don't know, negative 10 to 150. And I want to see all my y's. Okay, so the question is, what was the demand after 1 month? We can plug 1 in, or we can just say y equals 1 and find the intersection since we're looking at the graph. And the demand after 1 month sorry, that would be an x, because that's our time. Okay. To the nearest integer would be 2,116. After 1 year, which would be 12 months, would be 3,026. And after 2 years, which is 24 months, would be 3,526. At what level does the demand expect to stabilize? That would be at 4,000. It's that first term.